So maybe 6 months ago now, probably more, I sent out an email to customers saying about these USB sockets. But I get a call from one of the customers saying, them USB sockets you fitted, Ben, my new iPhone charger doesn't fit.
Yeah, you're right, mate.
You need a different socket. And they were cool with that. But they said, maybe can you change them to a little bit neater, maybe brushed chrome, a little bit more snazzy. Yep, we can do that too.
First things first, let's make sure it's off. So I got some Click Deco polished chrome black inserts with a little charger point that'll fit his new iPhone and iPhone watch. So let's get whipping this old USB socket on, which is a shame because them USBs are handy, but things are upgrading these days. So let's take the wires out, the old red and black there, and just to re-terminate a bit, double the ends over just for a little bit better connection, because obviously there's one cable in here. This must be a spur. So we're just going to tighten these up so they get a nice tight fit in our new socket. So let's loosen off the terminals, ready to terminate in there. Get them nice and tight. Yeah, okay, I'm a geek. I wanted to find out what Newton meters to tighten it up to. 1.2 Newton meters. And that's it. Let's get it back on the wall, nice and straight. It's lucky that this box had decent lugs, because some of the lugs, sometimes they don't fit in the screws after you take them out, so you might have to re-thread them a bit with a bradawl. But this time it was okay. Then of course we test and we test again to make sure that it's fitted correctly and that our CD works. There we go, your new USB. You can charge. Voila.
Well, that's all well and good, he said. But the rest of the sockets in the house now, they don't match.
It just so happens, I knew you were going to say that. So I bought a few more, just to change them all. So that's from one little email 6 months ago. It continues to give you work. And I've got 10 templates for these email nails inside my Linktree. If you hop over to my bio, you should see it right at the bottom. Check it out.